Hey guys, so let's move on to the placebo effect. Okay, so some patients are given a placebo treatment which have a perceived or actual improvement in a medical condition, a phenomenon commonly known as the placebo effect. How do we reduce or eliminate the placebo effect? Okay, so what this is asking is how do we make sure no one knows what they're getting, the placebo or the real medicine? Okay, so one, we want to control it. So yes, we want to make sure we do have a control group, meaning a group that's getting the medicine. Okay. We also want to randomly assign people to who gets what. Okay, because we don't want to jeopardize our data. Replication. Yes, once you do an experiment, you have to have it to where other people can reproduce it to check the validity of your data. Okay? So the answer is all of the above. Now, who is in a single blind experiment? It's just the subjects. So the researcher knows who has the placebo and who has the actual medicine. A double blind means the subjects and the researchers. Okay, so we need, so neither group knows who's getting it. Now, before you think that's weird, there is a third party who assigned who got what drug. Okay, again, this is to make sure we're reporting the right stuff, information involved. Okay, so now we're moving on to Unit 2, the table. So the class width. This is the one we sat there and looked. What do I have to add to 35 to get to 40? And the answer is 5. Okay, 40 to 140 to 145 is 5. So the class width is 5. Now, relative frequency for 145 to 149. So it's 64. But relative frequency means we need to add all these numbers up. Okay, when you do, we get our total number, which is n. We put it over 100, divide it, and we get 0.64. Okay. Now, the midpoint of 155 to 159, meaning what number is in between. Now, if you cannot tell that it's 157, there's an easy way to double check. So we're going to add the two numbers together and then divide by 2. And you will get 157. Okay. Now, sorry. Box plot. So we have this, this, this. Okay. So, minimum, Q1, median, Q2, and max. Okay. 0% is at minimum because that's our starting point. Q1 is our 25%. Median, because it's in the middle, is 50%. Q2 is 75%. And max is 100%. Okay. Okay, so identify this and mean and median. So roughly symmetric is right there. Median and mean are going to be pretty much on top of each other. Skewed to the left, remember it's all about the tail. Okay. Our median is still with the hump. Your mean is going to go towards the tail. It may not necessarily be in the tail, but it's towards the tail. Okay. And skewed to the right. Again, the median is in the the hump, and the median is out here, the tail. Okay, so I hope that helps you with page number 2. Okay, wish you luck.